How to convert iPhone HEIC photos to JPEGs on Windows, iPhone and Mac. On Windows. 1. Open the Windows File Explorer and locate the HEIC photos you want to convert. 2. Select the photos you wish to convert to JPG format. 3. Right-click on the selected photos and choose Copy or Cut. 4. Create a new folder or navigate to the location where you want to save the converted JPG files. 5. Right-click inside the folder and choose Paste to paste the copied HEIC photos. Open your web browser and search for HEIC to JPG converter for Windows. You will find various online converters you can use. 6. Visit one of the online converters and follow the instructions provided on the website. 7. Upload the HEIC photos you pasted into the folder and select the JPG format as the output format. 8. Convert the photos and download the resulting JPG files. 9. Now you have the HEIC photos converted to JPG format on your Windows computer. On iPhone. 1. Open the App Store and search for a HEIC to JPG converter app. There are several apps available for this purpose. 2. Install a reliable and well-rated converter app such as JPG Converter, Photos to JPG, or PhotoSync Transfer Photos. 3. Launch the installed app on your iPhone. 4. Grant the necessary permissions, such as access to your photos. 5. Select the HEIC photos you want to convert to JPG. 6. Follow the app's instructions to convert the photos to JPG format. 7. Save the converted JPG files to your iPhone's camera roll or any desired location. On Mac. 1. Open the Photos app on your Mac. 2. Select the HEIC photos you wish to convert to JPEG. 3. Go to the File menu and choose Export, or right-click on the selected photos and choose Export. 4. In the Export settings, choose JPG as the format for the exported photos. 5. Select the desired options, such as quality and size. 6. Choose the location where you want to save the exported JPG files. 7. Click on the Export button to start the conversion process. 8. Once the export is complete, you will have the HEIC photos converted to JPG format on your Mac. Remember, always keep a backup of your original HEIC photos before converting them to JPG in case you need them in the future.